Hi, I'm Lionel from FASTLAM. We are today going to weld with our new automatic foam laminator 2 planks, non-crossing foam, 28 kilo density foam, 50 millimeter. Everything is fully automated. We just need to set up the 2 thicknesses and off we go. I just show you 28 kilo density non-crossing foam, 50 millimeter. The same on the bottom. Let's go. As you can see, the foam is perfectly adjusted and perfectly welded. We are going to take a knife and we are going to cut a slice to show you the way it's welded. The foam plank is as well adjusted on the side, so we can say that this is a very good job. I thank you very much. Bye bye.